What is up, YouTube? So this is the last minute thing. I kind of already have like the car in the process of the video, but yeah, so the starter went out on me last night. I tried driving it and then it would not crank up. I thought it was a battery at first, but we tried jumping it and it still did not crank. But then this morning it cranked up, so I was kind of curious on what it actually was. It cranked up one time this morning, and then I turned it off, tried turning it back on, and it didn't crank up again. So I went ahead and got a new starter, and that's what I'm currently doing right now. So let me show you how far I've gotten, and then I'll explain. The starter is located right here. So it's on the right side of the car if you're looking at it, sitting down in the driver's seat. So, and as y'all can tell, there's an oil leak somewhere. But, so it's up here. I already got this bolt off. It's a 14 millimeter socket for both of these, and then there's also a sensor that connects over here. These ones aren't connected. That's for my O2 sensors or I don't have them because of the exhaust. But and then there's a sensor that connects over here, right here, and it connects to this part. But I just left it around there, so I remember that that's the one. So just gotta continue taking that bolt off and then that bolt, and then I believe that's all. There is one of the bolts right there, and now for the top one. And the bolts have probably been there since the car was made, so go ahead and make your life easier. This is what I did. And get the breaker bar and then just pull it off. So perfect. So now that's off, just pull the lid out and you should be good. Bam. Hold on, let me get this out real quick. Okay, so I forgot all about that. Just go ahead and take that off and then it should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery as well, being that it's the starter and it's all connected with electricity. So and in case you didn't know, that is a 12 millimeter. So now just take this guy out. Beautiful. So now we have the other one taken out. We just have to put the new starter in. Shout out O'Reilly's for the starter. It was like 106. It's a remanufactured one, but it was like 170, 180 bucks after tax, something like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. So I'm kind of holding it with one hand right now, so it's kind of hard to explain, but just go ahead and get that screw right there and put that piece onto it so it connects. Just like that. See? Now you can go ahead and put it back on. So now that it is aligned back in there, there's the sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and start tightening these back up, get it in there, and then put the sensor on, and then that's it. Alright, I'm gonna give those last little tighten up and then connect the sensor. Being that this car does have an oil leak, I'm gonna try to kind of clean out inside of here. The sensor is connected. So it is all done. Now I just need to connect the battery and clean up, and it should start up. So everything's finished and everything is cleaned up. Now, moment of truth, and let's see if it will start. Oh, I almost forgot about the cold start.
"12 seconds later. 3 days later. 3:28 a.m.
Thank God it started, honestly. I'm so glad. One less thing I do not have to deal with anymore. Whenever it didn't start, honestly, that was probably like, I think that's the first time my car, like one of my cars, has like just not started. I did not like that feeling at all. But it is what it is. Got it fixed. If I did help, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know how I did, and I'll see you guys possibly next week if I have a video or not. But if not, then the week after or the one after that. You get the point. So I'll see you on the next one.